Hi, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how a keratin treatment can work wonders on natural 4C hair. Natural 4C hair has a unique texture that can be challenging to manage. But a keratin treatment can help to soften and smooth the hair, making it more manageable and easier to style. So, let's take a look at the step-by-step process of getting a keratin treatment on natural 4C hair. Step 1. Consultation. Before getting a keratin treatment, it's important to have a consultation with a stylist who is experienced in the treatment. During this consultation, the stylist will examine your hair to determine if it's suitable for the treatment. They will also discuss your hair concerns, goals, and expectations. This is also an opportunity for the stylist to provide you with advice on the best type of keratin treatment for your hair type. Step 2. Prepping the hair. The stylist will begin the treatment by washing your hair with a clarifying shampoo. This is done to remove any buildup, oils, and product residue from the hair. This will also prepare the hair for the treatment. After washing, the hair will be towel dried until it's about 80% dry. Step 3. Applying the treatment. The stylist will then apply the keratin treatment to your hair, starting from the back and working their way to the front. The treatment will be applied in sections, making sure that each strand of hair is fully coated with the solution. The stylist will then comb through the hair to ensure even distribution of the treatment. Step 4. Drying and sealing the treatment. Once the treatment has been applied, the stylist will use a blow dryer to dry your hair completely. This is an important step as it ensures that the treatment is evenly distributed throughout the hair. The stylist will then use a flat iron to seal the treatment into the hair, using high heat to ensure that the keratin is fully infused into the hair strands. This process may take some time, especially for those with long or thick hair. Step 5. Post-treatment care. After the treatment is complete, the stylist will advise you on how to care for your hair in the days and weeks following the treatment. This is an important step as proper care can help to prolong the effects of the treatment. The stylist may recommend using sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners, avoiding heat styling tools for a few days, and using a silk or satin pillowcase to prevent friction and breakage. Remember, a keratin treatment can last up to 3 to 6 months with proper care and maintenance. It can help to reduce frizz, soften and smooth the hair, and make it more manageable. Step 6. Protecting the eyes and skin. Keratin treatments involve the use of chemicals and high heat, which can be potentially harmful to the eyes and skin. The stylist may use a protective shield to cover your eyes and protect your skin from any potential irritation or burns during the treatment. Step 7. Waiting period. After the treatment is complete, the stylist may recommend waiting a certain amount of time before washing or styling your hair. This waiting period can vary depending on the type of keratin treatment and the stylist's recommendations. Step 8. Follow-up appointments. To maintain the effects of the treatment, the stylist may recommend follow-up appointments to touch up any areas where the treatment may have worn off. These appointments can be scheduled every few months, depending on the individual's hair and the longevity of the treatment. Step 9. Home care. Proper home care is crucial in maintaining the effects of the keratin treatment. The stylist may provide you with a recommended hair care regimen, including specific shampoos, conditioners, and styling products that are safe for use with the treatment. It's important to follow these recommendations to avoid damaging the hair or causing the treatment to wear off too quickly. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tutorials.